You have decided to embark on a tertiary education journey through the distance learning mode. Congratulations! Before you get started, we would like to highlight some aspects of your learning journey. First things first, after registration, you will receive a welcome SMS and email followed by your study material. Bear in mind that although you have the choice to receive a hard copy of your study material, your assignment submission will be online. Hold on, before you get into the books just yet, we want to highlight the following electronically available documents. First up, rules and regulations. With every endeavor in life, there are rules to abide by. Distance learning, and in particular in higher education, is no different. You will need to familiarize yourself with the various rules and regulations that govern your studies at STADIO. General Tutorial Letter. The General Tutorial Letter or Tutorial Letter 2 touches on many of the aspects that you will face in your academic journey, such as access to platforms, resources, understanding the assessor's expectations, mark calculations, policies, as well as contact points and links to other important documents, and the STADIO Plagiarism Policy. The Plagiarism Policy is the most important document when it comes to your studies, as it will have an effect on every module assignment and exam that you submit. Make sure you understand this policy and its consequences. A link can be found in the description. We deal with additional documents and processes in another video. You can find the link to these in the description. Hang tight, we're almost done, and then you can dive into your studies. One very important aspect of distance learning is self-discipline, in which you are accountable for your own commitment and success. Keep this concept top of mind as you engage with the academic program, which starts at a set time depending on which semester you enroll for. The first semester starts academically in March and the second semester in August. If you have registered early, in other words, before these periods, please focus on the material you have with you until these respective periods begin. For most modules, your lecturer will provide you with a pacer for you to gauge your progression throughout a module, but self-pacing is encouraged. At the same time, your lecturer's contact details and times will be available to you should you wish to interact with them regarding the module contents. Remember that if you have a non-academic query, you can direct it to the campus via email or phone call. Next on the agenda is your assessments, the first of which is the assignment. You may be required to submit multiple assessments. Therefore, please make sure you refer to your study material for guidance on the compulsory assessments. Important to note that your assignment questions will not appear inside your study material. Instead, you will find them online on your virtual learning environment inside the module-specific course for you to download separately. In most cases, you will require the prescribed textbook in order to complete the assessment successfully. Make sure you purchase these. Details of the textbook vendors and where to find them are available in your study guide. By the time your submitted assignments have been marked, you will be notified that you are able to review the lecturer's feedback and total mark awarded. Now, armed with your assignment feedback and the suggested answers, you can start preparing for the summative exam. Remember that every module requires a certain amount of notional hours in order to understand and complete the module successfully. The concept of notional hours can be defined as the measure of learning time required and translates to, for every 1 NQF credit, 10 notional or learning hours are required. So for example, A 10-credit module will require 100 notional hours to master. So be diligent and put those hours in sooner rather than later. Let's pause here, because if you don't get your marked assignment back immediately, there are some additional documents that will be useful to you before the examination. One such document, while waiting for your marked assignment, is the Model Assignment Answers. Although you can use this as a starting point, you may also have access to a combination of the following additional assistance from your lecturer in preparation for the exam. These can include video clips, presentations, virtual classes, PACEs, exam guidance, quizzes, tutorial letter 3, group discussions, just to name a few. Now that you are ready for your examination, you will have a prescribed time limit within which to complete the examination. If you have a problem or medical emergency, please use the communicated procedures to request assistance. These procedures will be sent along with your examination admission slip approximately a month before the examinations begin. Results for your modules will be released at a designated time, so rest assured that you will be able to re-register soon after that, should you fulfill the requirements. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for our video series, where we also deal with aspects such as systems and platform access, administrative actions, and communications. Goodbye for now, and good luck with your studies.